Hello, I'm Robert Parker, your course tutor for An Introduction to Family History Research. But why am I qualified to take you through this course? Well, I'm a member of the Society of Genealogists in the United Kingdom. I'm also a member of local family history societies near where I live and close to where my ancestors used to live. I've got 20 years experience of researching my own family history. So the tools, the techniques, the tips I'm going to show you through this course actually do work. I'm also a qualified trainer. I've worked in the commercial world with groups of people in the private, public and charity sectors, teaching them new skills, new knowledge, helping them learn. I've got a great course lined up for you, so let's get started.